I am Green Mask. Let's launch the app now. Type Scratch in the search bar. So this is how the application will look. This is the stage where you can see all the characters, and this is the place where you do a code. And these are the different blocks which I will teach you how to use this in my future classes. And these are the costumes of the spirit of the character. This is the second costume of this character, and this is the first costume of this character. So this is the output. This is the menu bar, and this is the toolbar where it contains all the different blocks. And here are different tabs. In the costume tabs, you can change the color, change the face position, and even change the costume. And here is the sounds bar tab where you can add different sounds. And this is where you can change the position and size of the sprite. Here is where you can change the backdrop. Example, this bedroom. You can also choose another character by clicking this icon. It's called Choose the Spirit. I'm going to choose a bear. You can also flip it left to right. First, you need to go to the costumes place, and if you can see flip horizontal and flip vertical. If you click flip horizontal, it turns towards the bear, and if you click flip horizontal again, it goes back to its normal position. If you click flip vertical, it turns upside down, and if you click again flip vertical, it goes back to its normal position. Now let's make the cat face to the bear. Now we have all the characters settled. Now let's make the cat talk to the bear. So here in the toolbar you have different buttons. One is motion, which is related to movement. Second is looks, which is for changing appearance. Third is sound, for telling different things. And fourth is events. And the last one is control. The others we can talk after some time.